Changing your password on Spotify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open the Spotify app or website. Launch the Spotify app on your device or go to the Spotify website in your web browser. Step 2. Log into your account. If you are not already logged in, enter your current credentials to access your account. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Change Password. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or Security. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then type in your new password and confirm it. Save the changes to update your password. After completing these steps, your Spotify password will be successfully changed. Make sure to remember your new password for future logins.